Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. In this video, we'll show you how to do the basic setting for this watch, Casio TRT-110H. Okay, let's start. Make sure we are in the timekeeping mode. It should look like this, but if not, then you can press and hold the lower left button, this one, the mode button, and beep, and now jump to the timekeeping mode. Okay, now we need to press and hold the adjust button on the top left to start the adjustment, so like this. And now the second is flashing or blinking, and we can reset the second using the lower right button, this one. So if it is 30 or more for the second, it will become 0 with additional minute like this. But if it is 29 or less, it will become 0 without additional minute like this. Okay, now press the mode button on the lower left, this one, and we can set the hour. You can use the top right button and the lower right button to change the value. So it's like clockwise like this and counterclockwise like this. Okay, and then press again the mode button, and now we are setting the minute. Also the same thing, use these two buttons. So this one will reduce and the start button will increase. Okay, press the mode button, and now is the time format. You can use the lower right button to change the value. Okay, also you can use the top right button to change the value or the setting. Okay, now press the mode button and we are setting the year. You can use the top right and lower right button to change the value, so this one will increase and this one will decrease. Okay, press the mode button, and now is for the month, also the same thing. Okay, and then again the mode button, and now is for the date, also the same thing. Okay, and then press again the mode button, and now back to the second, and done. You can press the top left button, the adjust button, to exit from the adjustment mode, and done for the basic setting. I will also make a more detailed tutorial, so don't forget to click like, subscribe, and I will see you again in the next video. Have a great day.